Hello, you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you how to make the group booking. Interestingly, for now, there are no direct process of making the group booking, but then I just want to use this live portal here to show you how I will make this group booking for a family of four. So you just once you log in, you see you go to the dashboard to take you to this page where you're seeing. You can see that on this portal we have like four appointments already booked. Yeah, these are their details. So I have like four persons I want to make a group booking for. So I just go to my appointment. So these are the details of the persons. See on each of the details of the person, you see reschedule. So what I'm trying to do, and you can see that you can reschedule like three times. You have three schedules available for rescheduling. So what I would do is to just try to select an open date, right? So if for instance, one of those dates for these persons are in January 10 or something, but then I'd want to maybe look for a February that has open space for four slots. So I'll do for each of them and book in those days. So let's just look at what I'm going to do now. So you can see the first appointment at February 20, to February 20, 2025, January 30, it's all scattered. So let's see if we can get this January for February or February for March. Either way, slots that are really available is what we're trying to do. Excuse me. I confirm. They want Abuja already. We booked for them. So yes, of course, there are no appointments. So see, December there is one, but usually once you click on it, it will tell you slot has already been taken. So you can see, for instance, let me see, slot already used. That's what they usually do. So basically, I just go for a further date. And there's January also, but then there's a tendency that so once you click on it, right, and you have only one slot, then most likely like one available slot number, time rather. So most likely that date is not really available. So even if you pick on it, if you click on it, it will tell you slots not available. But you can see in February, so this seems to be available for people. Um, so you can see February 2025, they have very good slots. So what I will just do is to reschedule everybody to February 2025. I will just try to get the dates as aligned. So if, for instance, I can start with, let's say, 7:45 to 8:15. So that we are sure every person falls in that line. So just put 7:45. So already rescheduled for that first person. So just to be sure, let me just download and check. So yes, the reservation got reflected. It's February, you can see. So this is done for this person. So I'll just proceed accordingly to all the family members. So once you keep doing this, like you get those dates set already, so that everybody can go, even not the same time, but the same date, so that the timing would be. So I'm like I said, 7:45 between 7:45 to 8:15 is what I'm using. So that would give the family good time to go in together. So you can see once I completed the first rescheduling, it took me back to this to the what's it called, the dashboard again. So I have to go back to my appointments to begin the second process. So you can see I've been able to reschedule for the two already. So you got the dates, same time, same day, same day. So I will now do for the remaining two persons. So these other two persons, you see what's reflecting there already. January 2010 and December 2017. So I'll just do, like I said, for different persons, and we'll see how that turns out. So let's do continue to confirm. Just go to Abuja. Since I know what I'm looking for, I just keep quickly go to February. You can choose it. So the system is acting up now, right? So you click again. So I know most people will say once they click, you don't get this. So you just keep toggling, toggle front and back. You'll get lucky to see available dates. So same time is available, I book, and that's it. It's been rescheduled. So guys, this is it. So I've really now rescheduled manually to get all the group appointments settled for this family of four. So you can see the date and time tallies, it tallies and all that. So this is what you're going to do. It's manual, it could be time consuming, but then this is the only way out for now for making group appointments on the Avits portal. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you find it very helpful, please subscribe. Please also share the content as a solution for people trying to that's finding it difficult to make group appointments on the new Avit portal. So see you in my next video. Sorry, I just also want to share that you do me well to subscribe, because it will really go a long way to support my channel, right? And also motivate me to create more content. Most people watch videos, but I mean, they like, but they comment, but they don't subscribe. Subscription is also a good thing for me. So please help me subscribe, and I'll be glad to help out if you have any requests at all. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Have a great time wherever you're watching. Bye bye.